we are dependent heavily on countries abroad, whether it's China, Australia, or South American countries for lithium ion. Therefore, there's a greater need to have a sustainable supply in terms of recycling. We should have our own supply chain, own indigenous technologies, own manufacturing capabilities to build up, so that whatever targets we are aspiring for cleaner India, greener India, we are able to fulfill if we are able to focus on ecosystem with participation of private sector and industry as well, through incentivization, through subsidies. I think we can really create a mark of ourselves globally in terms of clean energy transition. And India is actually one of the lead player in terms of climate action, fighting the climate crisis. And there are many missions underway which government of India has really rolled out and is getting executed by various ministries. We have to switch over from current fossil fuel, which are much more, you can say, carbon emitting. What are the low carbon pathways? How do we transition towards cleaner mobility? How do we enable integration of renewable energy? How do we really create much more green built environment in the country? How do we plan for energy storage and make our grids more smarter? These are some of the domains where green economy will be focusing on, but we have to also focus on how do we make our economy much more climate resilient in terms of much more in terms of agriculture. How do we prepare our communities for towards fighting towards the better health facilities, and also clean water, clean air is the main area. And how do we create the ecosystem where we create enough jobs, and whatever we manufacture by considering our responsibility towards environment and contribute to the economy. So making India future ready for green energy transition through green economy is the main focus of this event organized by CWW.
When we talk about the green and clean energy, we are saying that we are reducing our dependence on the fossil fuel and we are trying to boost our renewable energy sector.
Yeah.
But we are also saying that we should have the electrical vehicles. This is also the EVs. But in the EVs, we require lithium batteries, and that's a rare earth matter, and we don't have that dependence, self-sufficiency in that. So how are we dealing with that?
Yeah, so currently we are not having in terms of supply chain, we are dependent heavily on countries abroad, whether it's China, Australia, or South American countries for lithium ion. Therefore, there's a greater need to have a sustainable supply in terms of recycling. We have to focus on whatever battery which will be having end of life, how we can recycle and extract materials from them, so that our dependency on newer set of supply chain is reduced. At the same time, we should, through research and development, what are the alternate cell chemistries we should be working on, whether it is sodium ion, which is in abundance, or we should look for metal layer kind of batteries for stationary storage. So there is a greater need to spur the growth of research and innovation, and also support startups who are coming out with disruption, so that whatever appears to be challenge at the moment can be resolved. So those kind of problem statements should be shared with our youth, our upcoming talented professionals, so that we could really tackle these problems in a structured way, where in next 20 years we want to be a developed India. So we should have our own supply chain, own indigenous technologies, own manufacturing capabilities to build up, so that whatever targets we are aspiring for cleaner India, greener India, we are able to fulfill. Thankfully, this year we have already achieved one of the major target well ahead in advance, in terms of, because our total installed capacity of renewable energy is close to 242 gigawatts. So We have already attained that, and systematically, if you are able to focus on ecosystem with participation of private sector and industry as well, through incentivization, through subsidies, I think we can really create a mark of ourselves globally in terms of clean energy transition and pushing for the green economy.
Sir, but actually we are producing the renewable energy power, the power from the renewable energy at a great pace, and it's like you just said, it's 248 gigawatt, and the government is aiming for 500 gigawatt by 2030. So do you think we will be able to achieve it before that period?
Yeah, I think the way it is not a single ministry, it is a whole of government approach which we are trying. Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Department of Science and Technology. So multiple departments are acting in this way. We will be able to achieve that target. We are very upbeat about it. So I think efforts are in those directions.